Place within a while will leave them to non-rider. For your safety, you must be a minimum of 54 inches in height to experience this attraction. Thank you and enjoy your ride on Tigris.
Mientras disfruta de su paseo en Tigris, le pedimos que por favor cumpla con las siguientes reglas diseñadas para su seguridad. Esta atracción, por su propia naturaleza, crea fuerzas y velocidades que podrían no ser adecuadas para algunas personas y pueden causar lesiones a personas con condiciones preexistentes. Este paseo no es recomendable para personas de edad avanzada, damas embarazadas, personas que padecen de presión arterial alta, personas con problemas cardíacos en el cuello, la espalda o alguna otra limitación física que pudiera impedir el uso normal de los asientos o el uso de los sistemas de seguridad provistos. Todos los pasajeros antes de subir a Tigris.
Congratulations, you've conquered Tigris. Exiting guests, please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar and lap bar. Exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Tigris and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Boarding guests, step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you. Hold the comfort collar up prior to sitting. Once seated, hold the lap bar down and secure it firmly to your legs. Then, secure the comfort collar to your lap bar. Once the comfort collar is secured, please pull up on the green strut. If you are not riding at this time, please take a step back.
Yeah, I can't wait
The
for front
gates are
seat.
now closing. Please let go of your lap bar so it may be checked for you at this time. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train, with your head back against the headrest.
Realize it seems like it's really fast, right? Oh yeah, go fast.
Congratulations on your decision to take on Congratulations, you've conquered Tigris. Sliding across. Congratulations, you've conquered Tigris. Exiting guests, Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar and lap bar. Exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Tigris and have fun during the